So this is my video for the enhancement 3 activity. I'm going to make it show it working. This is the login form. As you can see here, I've added through the database. Click on create an account. I have the registration file here and also here. Okay. I don't know how to validate this in Safari web browser, but I found this. This is my code, the CSS. I'll show it through a direct input and check. No error found. This is my login page, my registration page. There are 2 errors because it says it when I use the PHP tags, the HTML doesn't support the PHP tags. But removing this, there is no error in the file, just as the login. Also showing these 2 errors due to the PHP tags. So this is my enhancement 3 activity.